Question 2.4 from the Eastern Cape September Physical Science Paper 2 asks us the following. They ask us whether compound B is a primary, secondary or tertiary alcohol, and then we need to give a reason. To answer this question, we need to understand that if the CH3 is in brackets like this with a 3 there, it means that these CH3s are connected to the carbon with the OH bond. So technically, this can be written like this. If we draw the full structural formula out, and then the carbon with the OH, the hydroxyl group on it, has 3 carbons joined to it. That is why this is a tertiary alcohol. Next question asks us, 2.5, write down the IUPAC name of a chain isomer of compound B. A chain isomer must then cause all 4 the carbon atoms to be one straight chain molecule. So 1-butanol. No, I'm making nonsense here, because the carbon atom there has the hydrogen bonds, and those 2 carbon atoms already forms a chain. So what must happen is this carbon atom must join either there or there. So I'm talking nonsense here. So already the carbon with the OH bond has 2 carbons on it like that. I'm just flipping it to the side so that it's horizontal, and then the carbon that was here should join either there or there. This was a very tricky question, I must admit, because I would have said 1-butanol, but I understand now why it's not 1-butanol, because there I looked at the molecule from the horizontal side, but if you look at the molecule from the vertical side, then you've got 3 carbons in a chain already, where this one has 2 carbons in the chain. To me, this is splitting hair, but this is what they wanted. This is 2-butanol. Right, I hope these videos help. I'll answer the question 2.6 was also part of the questions I need to work through. So question 2.6 says compound E has a functional isomer. Now compound E is this one. It is an aldehyde, and it is propanol. What are functional isomers? Okay, so that is theory that you will be able to get, but write down the condensed structural formula of the functional isomer of compound E. So functional isomer of compound E would be a ketone, so the double bonded oxygen must move to the middle carbon, and the hydrogen that was attached to that middle carbon must move, the 2 hydrogens must move to the end carbon there. So the condensed structural formula would be CH3 COCH3. Right, that brings us to the end of this video clip.